Before hospitals were safe, before nurses were trained, before we understood why they died, there was a hallway full of men who should have lived. In the Crimean cold, the wounded line, Scutari walls, no space, no time, not dying from the battle cry, but filth, infection, left to lie. Water unclean, the air too thick, fever spread, the dying quick. Rats in the dark, the stench, the stain, more lost to care than to the pain. She saw the pattern, not just the wound. She saw the system was killing them too. She walked the night with a lamp in her hand, but light wasn't what saved those men. It was truth in the dark, it was numbers and charts saying this isn't fate, this is broken design. Before we had answers, before we had plans, she counted the dead and made them stand. She tracked every loss, every name, every breath, turned suffering into a map of death. Lines and circles, cold and clear, proof that neglect was the thing to fear. Clean the water, open the air, change the system, change the care. And slowly the dying line grew thin, not by a miracle, but discipline. She didn't beg them, she showed them why, and the truth moved her walking still. She walked the night with a lamp in her hand, changed what it means to care for a man. Not just comfort the pain, but rewrite the frame so fewer would die where they stand. Before we had answers, before we had plans, she counted the dead and changed how we stand. Not just a lamp, but a line in the dark, where the dying stopped and the living could start.